Hello friends, welcome in your physics class. For complete course, press subscribe button and bell icon and watch our videos regularly. स्वेटर या वुलन क्लॉथ्स उतारते वक्त हम क्रैकलिंग साउंड सुनते हैं। यह दरअसल इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस की वजह से होता है जो स्वेटर और हमारी बॉडी के बीच के फ्रिक्शन से निर्माण हो रहे। Similarly, lightning that we see in the sky is also due to the flow of large number of electric charges that develops on the clouds due to the friction. प्राचीन काल से ही ग्रीक संस्कृति में यह बात प्रचलित थी, जब अंबर फर पे घिसा जाता है तो फर और अंबर पे अपोजिट चार्जेस डेवलप हो जाते हैं। इस तथ्य को हमने भी कई बार अनुभव किया है। जब ड्राई हेयर्स में से कंघी घुमाते हैं और कागज के टुकड़ों के पास उसे लाते हैं तो कागज के टुकड़े कोम को चिपकने लगते हैं। दिस इज इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक अट्रैक्शन ड्यू टू charges developed on comb and pieces of paper. इस उदाहरण में आप सोचोगे कि कंघी पर चार्जेस फ्रिक्शन की वजह से आए, पर कागज पर कैसे? दरअसल एटम्स में पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव दोनों चार्जेस होते हैं। नेगेटिव चार्ज के दूर जाने से नेगेटिव चार्जेस की डिफिशियंसी क्रिएट हो जाती है और डिफिशियंसी ऑफ नेगेटिव चार्ज give rise to positive charge. इसीलिए the nearer end acquires positive charge and shows attraction with the comb. Everything in our surrounding is made up of atoms. Atoms contains elementary particles such as negatively charged electrons, positively charged protons, and electrically neutral neutrons. Protons and electrons carries charge of equal magnitude. Usually, number of negatively charged electrons and number of positively charged protons are equal. Hence, atoms are electrically neutral. और चीजें भी इन्हीं न्यूट्रल एटम्स से बनने की वजह से सामान्यतः वो अनचार्ज्ड होती है, पर चीजें हमेशा एक समान नहीं रहती। अंडर सर्टेन सर्कमस्टेंसेस इट मे एक्वायर चार्जेस। लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दिस विद अ सिंपल एग्जांपल ऑफ लिथियम एटम। यू आर वाचिंग लिथियम एटम ऑन स्क्रीन। It contains 3 positively charged protons in the nucleus and 3 negatively charged electrons moving around the nucleus. इलेक्ट्रॉन पर चार्ज -e इतना होता है, where e का मतलब होता है 1.6 into 10⁻⁻19 coulomb. This value of charge was given by scientist Millikan. लिथियम एटम के अंदर में ऐसे 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं, इसलिए नेट नेगेटिव चार्ज ऑन द एटम इज -3e. Also, there are 3 protons. Each proton carries charge plus e. Therefore, net positive charge due to proton is plus thrice e. Hence, the net charge on an atom due to positive and negatively charged particle is 0. So, atom is electrically neutral. If one electron is removed from this atom by any process like friction, conduction or induction, then the net charge due to electrons is -2 times e and net charge due to protons is equal to plus thrice E. So the total charge on this atom is equal to plus E. Thus, it is clear that atom acquires positive charge by losing negatively charged electron. So, removal of electron imparts positive charge to the substance. Similarly, deposition of negatively charged electrons on the substance imparts negative charge to the substance. So, object can be charged only by shifting electrons from one substance to another. The charge on electron is considered as elementary charge and hence has a magnitude equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Coulomb is the SI unit of charge and is denoted by symbol C. CGS unit of charge is stat coulomb. The relation between SI and CGS unit is 1 coulomb equal to 3 into 10 raised to 9 stat coulomb. For free physics course, consider subscribing if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit bell icon. Charges are additive in nature. Let us see this property in detail. Consider a body with charge 5 coulomb and 1 coulomb charge is deposited on it. So the net charge on the body now becomes 6 coulomb. On the other hand, if negative 1 coulomb charge is placed on the same body, then the net charge of the body will be 4 coulomb. This explains additive nature of the charge. The total electric charge on an object is equal to the algebraic sum of all electric charges distributed on the different part of the object. Charge is quantized. To understand the concept of quantization, let us have one demonstration. Take one coin and just imagine we have removed one electron from it. So the coin will acquire a charge of plus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. If 10 electrons are removed from the coin, then it may acquire 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 18 coulomb of charge. Similarly, if an electron is deposited on the same coin, then it may have minus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. And if 10 electrons are deposited on the coin, then it will have minus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 18 coulomb of charge. This shows that the number of electrons deposited or removed gives a charge to a coin. So, from this example, it is clear that the charge acquired by a coin is integral multiple of fundamental charge. This fundamental charge is nothing but charge on electron, which is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. So, we may conclude that a net charge on any body is always integral multiple of charge on electron. This is called quantization of charge. Now we'll see the conservation of charge. Let us take one example of glass rod and silk. When a glass rod is rubbed on silk cloth, then glass rod acquires positive charge, while silk acquires negative charge. But the net charge before and now are same. Okay, the total charge of the system is same, that is constant. This is called conservation of charge. In this process, no new charge is produced. The charges produced here only by shifting from glass rod to silk. In any given physical process, charge may get transferred from one part of system to another, but the total charge of the system remain constant. दोस्तों उम्मीद करते हैं आज का विषय आपको समझ में आ गया। आपके विचार आप कमेंट बॉक्स में डाल सकते हैं। दोस्तों अगर इस चैनल पर आप पूरा कोर्स फ्री में पाना चाहते हैं तो बस सब्सक्राइब का बटन दबाकर नोटिफिकेशन का बेल आइकॉन जरूर दबाएं और सोशल मीडिया पे अपने दोस्तों के साथ इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करना ना भूलें। चलिए दोस्तों फिर मिलेंगे नए वीडियो में। बाय बाय।